Just pulled into Vincent's Welding. I'm gonna pick up all my galvanized steel for the roof raise. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get it loaded up and take it home. There she is in all her glory. All the metal. So today we are gonna remove the windows in preparation for our roof raise. So we're gonna get to that. And here we go. Got the windows removed. Got the trim pieces here off. Got the trim that went up the sides pulled off. Still got a lot more to do to get ready for the roof raise. Gotta pull all those rivets there, these ones. I might leave those ones, I don't know. Putting the final touches on the bus before we do the roof raise. We've got to cut out here and up, and then on the other side I got to cut the same spots there and there, get that ready. I've got all my wirings wrapped up, the extra wirings wrapped up. I've got my welding mats so I don't burn windows. Got this almost ready. Just need to finish the cut here. And then on this side, finish the cut here. I got these wires all trimmed out and ready out of the way. Got all those rivets removed from the back. So it should just come apart in 2 spots. We still need to cut all our hat channels along the way. Jim's about here on his way. He's gonna help me do the actual raising. Okay, we think we have everything free. We've got everything cut, all of our hat channels cut. We've got our T-post ready with jacks under them. We've got our safety things from Skoolie.net, Skoolie.com, whatever, ready on all the sides. We think we're ready. Our only worry is this little corner here. It might be cantankerous. We're hoping we have everything free. I did some extra bracing up here on the top to help with the front, since we cut the weight or the supports off the edge there. So hopefully it'll just lift. But we're ready for it.
Are we going anymore? I'm in. I'm down.
I think I'm out. I'm bottomed out.
That means we got about the same.
Yeah.
We did about the same.
Stop at the same time. Yeah.
So
now we need to
just tighten up our bolts.
Tighten up our bolts.
And
let our jack down.
Put blocks in.
Put blocks in and reset. Well, low ceiling. It is getting higher, Jim.
Yeah.
It's getting easier to walk under.
As much.
Yeah. The roof has been raised. We are 12 inches higher. We just gotta finish welding hat channels in, and we're done with the roof raise. And we can reskin and on to the next step.
Yeah, that's pretty nuts looking. Come back here. Can I get the whole thing in there? Very cool. So how was it?
It was tough, but I'm glad it's done.
It looks great.
Day 2 of roof raise. I've got all my hat channels welded. I'm exhausted. Been fighting the welder a little bit, but they are all welded, and I've taken my T-post out. Well, taken them down and check my welds out. Not too bad for an amateur, I guess. Made a hard push on it this weekend. Got all the big pieces on the sides. Just need to do the front clip area and she'll be skinned. So make sure you subscribe and keep watching. Big things are happening.